knee scrapes are the worst.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, son. Your boo-boo is all better.
Thank you, Daddy. Elmo feels a lot better now.
Oh, good, son. I'm glad you feel better. And you know, how you feel on the inside is just as important to me as how you feel on the outside.
Oh, Daddy. Elmo's daddy listens, and his daddy cares.
I do, about Elmo's thoughts and feelings when Elmo's happy or scared.
I know my mommy's listening.
I always will,
'cause we're holding hands. And then she nods her head.
and I understand that.
When Elmo feels okay, or when I'm not okay, you take care of me, and that's what you do.
We do.
Elmo's grown up.
Is there in every way?
You take care of Elmo, and we'll share my thoughts and feelings too.
And I sure love to listen to you.
It's you and me, it's me and you. My dad listens and cares for me.
I always will.
When I'm happy or excited.
Or when you're sad or worried.
I know she's listening.
Closely when you talk, I'll give you a great big hug.
And it helps me feel strong.
We say,
When I feel okay or when I'm not okay, you take care of me, that's what you do.
That's what we do.
My grown up,
grown up,
is there in every
is there in every way.
take care of me. You're my grown up and I know you're there.
I'm your grown up and you know I care.
'Cause it's you and me and me and you.
So when you are okay or not okay, I'll take care of you.